So starting at 12, you and your child can skip down the stairs, taking giant steps and counting backwards. So 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, and then 0. So this is going to help your child add and subtract in twos when they say the numbers out loud, and either walking down the steps is subtraction, walking up the steps is addition. So when they're in the classroom, sitting in the classroom and they're counting, in addition to having fingers and usually they have manipulables like sticks and so on, they will visualize themselves walking up and down stairs. So in addition to subtraction, let's now introduce the 2 times table. So we start, before we climb any of the steps, we're at 0. So 0 times 2 is 0. And then 1 times 2 is 2. And then have them write 2 times 2 is 4. And then have them write 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8, and so on. You might also want to draw the figures. So if you visualize, a bag or something. Oh, you don't have to do a bag. 1 times 2, tell them, is one group with 2 things in it. So here's 1. And then here's 2. And here's 3. So you have 3 bags, each with 2 things in it. And you can go, there's loads of steps. You don't have to stop at 12 times 2 is 24. You can just keep going. You can just keep going, especially if if your child knows how to count to 100. If you have the if you have the energy to go up 100 steps, and every other step you're writing on the step, and you're doing like 2 times 50 is 100. They'll get up to 100, and it's a fun way to just incorporate math into a walk on the park in the park. Speaking of which, I am on my way to the park. I have my little mat to relax in the grass, and there's no classroom, no other kids, no competition. They're not worried about getting anything wrong. Remember to give them lots of encouragement, and only point out what's right. If they have any difficulty, just go back a little bit, do something a little easier, and work your way up again. And you will gradually have a child that really enjoys math. They'll be, Mom, let's take some chalk and go outside. Have a great day in math.